Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Today's topic is top 20 plants to grow in hanging basket. Ferns. Fern the most popular shade-loving plants for hanging baskets. Since many hanging baskets are hung in shade areas like under a tree or a porch, ferns are a perfect option. Give the proper care and length of the growing season. Ferns will grow to be large and bushy, making them stand out in hanging basket. Petunias. Petunias can be great for hanging baskets as they tend to mold and pour out over the sides of the basket. The cascading effect, along with plentiful blooms, make for a beautiful addition to your home. Begonias. Most varieties of begonias grow great in sun or shade, making them a great, easy care choice for hanging basket. Begonias are great for providing a full spilling effect to your hanging basket. Some varieties such as dragon wing begonias and big begonias will grow 2 to 3 feet tall and branch out with 5-inch long leaves. Impatiens. Impatiens are shade loving plants, so they grow great in hanging baskets in area that don't get hot by sun in the heat of the day. Fuchsia. Fuchsia plants have a unique flower design and love the shade. Fuchsia is normally grown in container gardening or in hanging baskets. Succulents. Succulents are certainly a growing trend in the gardening world. Their desert origin allows them to withstand heat fairly well, and their looks add plenty of beauty to your garden. Lantana. Lantana plants are beautiful molding spreaders. These plants will produce small clusters of blooms with bright colors. Due to their spreading nature, they are perfect for hanging baskets as they will reach out over the edge and drape down the side of the basket. Similar to succulents, lantana plants are drought resistant due to their origin, so they will want full sun. Pansies. Looking to grow a hanging basket in the early spring or fall, pansies are a great option for this time of the year. Pansies are known for their hardiness with cold temperature and they don't grow best in heat. So they are great option for hanging basket that are started early or late in summer. Verbena. Similar to lantana, verbena will spread out in hanging basket and produce flower vigorously. Sweet Alsam. It is known for its beautiful mini blooms that range from white to pink to purple. Million Bells. Million Bells is a favorite for hanging baskets. A hanging basket with million bell plant can make for a dazzling display of color and blooms. Lobelia. Lobelia, popular blue flowers and green foliage can make any hanging basket stand out. Portulaca. Portulaca is a great choice for hanging basket flowers. Their blooms, wide variety of colors, and succulent like vines are often used for container gardening and filling a hanging basket up. Sweet potato vines. Sweet potato vines are chosen as pillars of many containers of flowers. Their vines can come in black, lime green, or dark green. Vegetable or fruit. Many produce vegetables and fruit plants will grow great in hanging baskets, especially strawberries, tomatoes, mini cucumbers, and lettuce. Herbs, mint, chive, sage, oregano, thyme, they all can grow great in hanging basket containers. Some grow will even start their herbs from cuttings and put them into hanging baskets. Geraniums. Geraniums are good for hanging baskets as they add height and plenty of color with their large cluster of blooms. Ivy vines. Similar to sweet potato vine, ivy is perfect for hanging baskets. Their beautiful foliage and lengthy vines can add a neat look to your porch. Black eye Shushan vine. Black eye Shushan plants look fantastic in hanging basket. These plants will climb all over the basket, sometimes so much that you aren't even able to see the basket. New Guinea impatiens. New Guinea impatiens are similar to impatiens but take slightly different care. When growing your New Guinea impatiens, make sure to hang the basket in shaded location. So friend, this is all about the topic. Hope you find it interesting and informative. If you like this type of video, press like button and share with family, friends and relatives. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.